Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to build a FastAPI file handling system. We will learn how to upload a single file, then how to upload multiple files, then how to delete a file, then how to retrieve these files in a list, then how to delete any file. Now let's understand the file structure. Here we have used 5 files. First of all, this upload.py file. This file handle the single and multiple file upload. And this download.py file, it handle file download. And this retrieve.py file, it helps to show all the files in a list. And this delete.py file, it deletes file. And this main.py file, it connects everything together. Now let's see how to upload these files. Here this is the user, and this user want to upload this PDF file through FastAPI in the backend HDD or server. So first of all, we have to import the necessary module first. Then we have to create the destination folder if it is not exist, or if exist, then we can skip this. Then we have to extract the file extension we want to upload. Here this is the PDF. And then we have to validate the extension. Should we allow this extension? Should we allow to upload this file or not? If the extension is .pdf or .txt, then we will allow, otherwise not. .png, .jpeg file will not be uploaded in our case. Then there is a concept, smart glue, means path.join. We will use this. Here what happens, this smart glue that sticks folder name and file name together. Like that, slash, assume our create folder. This folder name is upload. Slash upload slash x.pdf. So this this happens in this path.join operation. This is my folder and this is my file. It joins in this. Then we will move the data from this from the user to backend HDD or backend server, and we will use the write binary instead of only write. Now let's create this upload endpoint first. So this is my file structure. The main .py, then upload.py. We will create this main and upload here. Then download.py, retrieve.py, and delete.py. All these files are in the same hierarchy. Here the API, we will use FastAPI to create the API, and UVCon to run this FastAPI. This is basically the server, asynchronous server. Then we will use Python multipart to handle file related tasks. So this is my main.py file. I already write these 2 lines of code here, and we will update this upload.py file. Now let's start. We will use router because we are spreading these files. into multiple file. Now let's update the main.py file. Now let's check whether it works or not. So first of all, I have to create an endpoint. Okay, it works perfectly. Now let's create our upload endpoint. Okay, first of all, I have to create destination folder. So assume our folder is uploads. I think, okay, let me first delete it. There is no uploads file here. Now I will use this uploads file. os.make directory. Okay, I have to import the os. Import os. Make directories. My name of the directory is upload folder. Means uploads and existing. Okay, if existing okay is false, okay, if the target directory already exists, there is an error if exist okay is false. So I have to use here true. Okay, then I have to extract the file extension. This is my destination location. Now I have to create this upload file logic. Router dot post. As I am uploading, means I have to use the post request here. I am defining the path is upload. Then create a function function name upload. Okay, here I have to take the file from the user file. The type of the file is file. Sorry, the type of the file is upload file. Upload file. And I want if user press this button upload file, then uh, any file, any minimum on file should be there. So I have to create mandatory this uh, this file. Okay, now I have to extract the file extension. Is dot path dot split text this file dot file name. Okay, dot that bracket on means we are taking the uh, last part from dot, and we are apply the lower string method, and this is my extension, file extension. Now I have to check this file extension is the file extension should be allowed or not. Now let's create a variable here. Allowed extension is my .pdf and .txt. Okay, ext in allowed extension. I have to check this, and this will return a boolean value. So I hold this boolean value into a variable extension accepted. Okay, extension accepted. This code should be here. Now I have to raise a HTTP exception if the extension is not allowed. So if extension accepted, okay, if not extension accepted, then I have to raise HTTP. Okay, I have to first of all import HTTP exception from FastAPI. HTTP exception. HTTP exception. My status code is 4000, and my detail is extension not allowed. Now I have to create this smart glue or join operation to merge the folder and file. So os dot path dot join. My folder is upload folder, and my file name is file dot file name. This is my final file path. Now I have to move the data from source, means upload file, to destination. So with open this file path, comma, we will use this write binary, not the write binary, as if. Okay, we will use here Shuttle library. With the help of this library, we will move this file. Import this is util Shuttle dot copy file object. Here this is supports read. Okay, file dot file comma f. After that, we will return success message. Now let's check whether it works or not. Okay, upload. Okay, it check this file. First of all, paragraph.pdf. First of all, it creates this upload folder while we change any code. It automatically reload. If I press this execute and upload successfully, let's check. Yes, this paragraph.py is successfully uploaded. Now let's upload a PNG file. Execute, extension not allowed. Okay, our upload.py file works perfectly. Now let's do this for multiple files. So for multiple files, we have to create a list here. Okay, it will create a list, and this is my files. Now I have to run a loop for file in files. All this operation should be inside this loop. Now let's check. .pdf and .txt. No, nothing is here inside this upload folder. If I execute, uploaded successfully. But single file has been uploaded. Now let me check. Okay. The return message should be outside the loop. Now it should work. Upload successfully, yes. The paragraph.txt and paragraph.pdf. Now this upload file, multiple file upload is successfully completed. Now let's add another file, paragraph.png. What it says, an accessible entity. .png execute another .docx execute. This is my PDF. Execute. This is my PNG. .execute. Extension not allowed. But I want this, instead of extension not allowed, I want to specify the extension that this doc file is not allowed here. So I have to update this detail. Let's yes. Okay, now doc extension is not allowed. So that's I wanted. Instead of this, if I try ext, then I think it should work. Yes, it works. Okay, so now the upload.py file has been completed successfully. Now let's move to our PPT. Now let's see how to download a file from FastAPI. So I want to download from this backend. First of all, I have to import necessary modules. Then I have to point the destination folder. Then I have to use this smart glue or use this join operation, this folder and file. Then we have to check whether the file exists or not. If the file exists, then we will response the file. If not exists, then we will generate a HTTP exception. Now let's do the practical of the downloading file. So I have to first import FastAPI. Import API router. Router equals to API router. So I have to import from download, import router. slash download. Have dot include router of download. Okay, then I have to point the destination folder. I mean the destination folder of backend in HTTP means that is uploads. Upload folder is my uploads. Now I have to create the request. At the rate router dot get. I will use the get here. Slash download slash file name. Here I am using the path parameter instead of query. So first of all, I have to use this join operation. OS dot path. Okay, I have to import the OS. Oh, I forgot to create the file. Sorry, I forgot to create the function. Here, the user should send the file name. File name and the type is string. This file will be searched, and if successfully searched, then download this file. Then it will respond the file to the user client. Path dot join folder is upload folder, and file name is my file name. This file name is provided by the user. Then we have to check the file exists or not. This is my file path. Exist or not. So os dot path dot exist this file name. It will return the boolean that if exist or not. So I take this value into a variable as exist. Then if not exist, then raise a HTTP exception. Raise HTTP exception. Status code is here 404 and detail is item not found. Item here the file not found. Okay, then I have to response the model. So I have to use the file response. So I have to import the file response first. File, okay, there is not no FastAPI.response import file response. I have to use this file response. Here, first of all, I have to tell the path. My path is the file path. Okay. And then file name is file name. Then I have to return this to the client. Return, I have to hold this value into a variable called response. Return this response. Now let me check whether it works or not. Uploads paragraphs.pdf. I just copy the name. Yes, it creates a download link. It download the file. Now the download operation has been successfully completed. Now let's see how to retrieve any file from FastAPI. So these all are the file that is stored in the backend HDD, and with the help of FastAPI, the user should retrieve all those files. So first of all, we have to import all the necessary modules. Then we have to point the HDD backend, the server destination folder. Then we have to create the list of this directory, was.list.dir. Then I have to return these files. Now let's code for the retrieval operation. So import the necessary module. Here I have imported these modules, then create this API router extension, then create this endpoint and create this function. Now let's point the folder. So the folder is upload. Let me copy paste this. This is my folder, and here I have to use os dot. Here I have to import the OS here. Import os.list directory from upload folder. This is all my files, and these files should be returned. update this main file from retrieve import router as retrieve. I am renaming this router different for all this files. Dot include router retrieve. Now this endpoint also should work. Let me check. Retrieve. Okay, there are two files, paragraph.txt and paragraph.pdf. It works perfectly. Now let's see how to delete a file from FastAPI. So here also, first of all, we will import our necessary module. Then we will point the folder, the destination folder in the STD or server. Then we will use the join for this smart glue, means folder slash file. This join will perform here. Then we will check whether the file exists or not. If the file exists, then we will delete the data, and if the file not exist, we will return a HTTP exception. Now let's do the practical of this delete operation. First of all, import necessary module. Then I have to print that folder. Okay, then I have to use this smart glue inside this request handling logic. Router.delete. We will use delete here. Delete a request here. Delete slash file name. Again, I am using the path parameter here. Def delete. Here I have to take the file name from the user. File name is the string type. Okay, then I have to use this join operation here. So for this I have to import os dot path dot join. My folder name is upload folder. Then file name is the file name from the user. This is my file path. Okay, then I have to check whether these files exist or not. For this, os.path dot exist this file name. It will return the boolean value, and I am holding this value with the variable exist. Now checking if the file exists or not. If not exist, then I will raise a HTTP exception. Okay, import this from FastAPI is HTTP exception, and the status code is AR404, and detail is file not found. Okay, then I have to delete the file. os.delete. os.remove. Sorry. Remove the file path. After that, we will return as a message that file has been deleted successfully. File name has been deleted CSS successfully. Now let's check whether this endpoint works perfectly or not. Okay, I have to connect the deleted endpoint in the main. Now let's check. Yes, that endpoint arrived, and now let's see. My file name is paragraph.txt. Let's delete this file. It says file name not found. Paragraphs.pdf. Okay, let me check where is the problem. Okay, here is the problem. Here should be file path, not the file name. This file path exists or not. Now let's see. Yes, paragraph.pdf has been deleted successfully. Now let's retrieve this. Yes, it has been deleted. Now let's check this from this folder. Yes, it has been deleted. Let's do this for this .txt folder also, file also. .txt has been deleted successfully. It also not showing from the folder, and from the retrieval endpoint, the list is empty. So our file operation has been completed successfully.